We looked at books on ornithology, and I could see all the various colors and the feather formations and patterns. I'm Colin Morét. I'm a media developer with Peabody, and let's dig deep into the restoration of the dioramas. The ptarmigan, the Arctic birds, was another project that we jumped into. We had a couple of objects in there that needed to be replaced. We have two birds in the exhibit that are on the ground level. We thought 3D printing, once again, would be like a good way to come up with objects that could go into that scene. We worked from taxidermy mounts, and we scanned a number of elements of the specimen from those directly, and we could kind of put all that together and come up with a 3D model. The bodies were printed, and then we had basically a perfect anatomical shape, and we were able to fabricate the claws using elements of brass that were shaved down and then bent. The eyes were done with glass beads. Once the 3D prints came out exactly how we wanted them, we started the painting process. So I'm also a trained artist, so I was able to kind of get involved in that. We were able to start to match something on the object that was going to be accurate and really blend into the scene.